welcome back to UA Studios. My name is Usaid Athar and today I will tell you how to do SEO for your YouTube videos so that you can increase your views and subscribers. Before we start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel UA Studios by clicking at the bottom right corner of your screens so that you won't miss any new tutorials from UA Studios. Studio.youtube.com. Here you will be asked to create your channel. So create a new channel. Then this will be the first screen where you will be navigated. So let's upload a video. Here click on the upload video, select file, then I will select my video which I want to upload. So let's upload this video. Since I make tutorials for the mobile application development, so I have most of the videos for mobile application development. So I'm uploading a video for the recipes. So let's give it title. Your title should be around 50 to 70 characters, not more than that. So recipe, how to make a recipe, right? How to make pizza, right? This is my title, and in order to do SEO, you should use words that should be available, that should be in your title description, and you should add it into your tag. So it will help YouTube to make suggested videos on their search, right? Then you have to add description. So let's add easy to make homemade pizza, or you can add whatever you want. So but you should use at least the words that are in title in your description, right? I'm using Grammarly. That's an extension for the Chrome, which helps me to correct my grammatical or spelling mistakes, right? So then we have this thumbnail. We can select whatever the thumbnail we want to select, or upload any. If you have created any thumbnail, then you can upload it here. Let me select this thumbnail. Here you can select the playlist. If you haven't created any playlist, you can create a new playlist and then select the playlist you want to add in. You have to select, let's say it's not about the kids, so select not made it for kids. Then we have this tags option. This is the very important part of your for the SEO, since these tags help YouTube to make your video, to show these videos to others, right? To find tag, I'm using this extension for the Chrome called vidIQ, which helps me to suggest tags, most common tags for in the whole YouTube YouTube search. So what I do, first always add a tag which is used in your title and description. So I have a, let's say I have a title word recipe, so I will add this first. So add recipe, then enter comma, right? Then I have pizza. Then I have how to is the most common word that is used in your YouTube title, so you should use how to's and how to cook, how to make, these type of words in your video title. Then I will use how to. Then I have homemade. uh, when I add tags, it's giving me score, let's say 21. It's till I have used, since I have used four tags, and it has given me 21 score of 50 for the SEO, right? Now if I scroll down, I have some suggested recommended tags, so I can add these as well. If I scroll down, No, we don't have any tags anymore. So one more thing, how you can add these tags. Go to keywordtool.io/YouTube. Here you can search any tag, the most common tags for YouTube. Say, let's say I will use how to cook pizza. It will give me suggested tags for the YouTube, right? So we will add these tags as well. Pizza bread, right? I can add what the top tags from here. Okay, then I will use pizza recipe. Here I will use pizza recipe. Okay, then I will use this tag. Cheese. Add the top tags here. And then the one thing, go to YouTube, then search pizza. Here add these suggested words. Let's say pizza, pizza recipe, pizza make, pizza make. Then we have a pizza recipe, the recipe. Then we have Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Then we have pizza dough recipe. Now pizza sauce. Right. Then add these suggested tags as well. Then since select a category, it's about recipes. So uh, do we have any category for food and recipe something? No, we don't have. So add into people and blogs would be okay. So then select next. Okay. Then we should add these and add end screen or add cards. What it does when you play a video, let's say play this video. Sorry. When you are adding a text, your target should be your video should available to others suggested video. Like you can see, we have the suggested video. It will increase your viewership. It will be available to most other peoples. So whenever we play a video, we got here some suggestions. Then we get at the end of the video, we have some more videos. So by adding the add end screen and add cards, help us to promote our other videos. Since this is my first video, so I don't have any other videos here, I can add video playlist or video or playlist. I can promote my channel, and I can promote my friend's channel or any other channel. I can create a poll or link any if I have website, I can link into it, so it will be available, it will be shown at the top as a card, right? So this is about the card. Now we have added, let's say we have added add cards in the end screen for, so then move to next. Here we have two options. We can publish right away, or we can schedule a time where then it will get published. So let me publish right now. So select public, publish now. Then if I select tap on publish, it my video get published, and we can share it one on to these link as well. We have this dashboard where we will see our subscribers. Then we can see the views of current video of this video, and we can see the comments. We have all the video section where we will see all the list for videos we have added. Then we have analytics. Analytics help us to see how our video is progressing, or how our page, our video channel is progressing. This reach section tell us where where our video is getting reached, to which countries, engagement. Then we have audience, what type of audience our video audience, what type of audience watching our videos. Then we have this comment section. We can reply to all these comments which people comment on our video. Then we have this monetization section to for our channel to get monetized, we should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and before that we cannot apply for the monetization. Settings. Here we can select the currency for our monetization. Here we can set the name for your channel. Then you should add keywords to search keywords for your channel to be get search. So let's say my channel is about travel logs or recipes. I will add keywords for these type of videos. So I will add recipes, travel, then vlogs, whatever your channel is about. You should add all these tags. In order to search tags, we will go to keyword tool. Here we will add, let's say, recipes. It will suggest me some tags for the recipes. I will select these and will add here, right? If I will search vlogs, it will suggest me the tags for the vlogs. So I will copy this and paste it here, right? My like select country. My country is Pakistan, so I will select it Pakistan. Here I can customize my channel by adding my photo. This should be very attractive, because uh, this is the first impression which the users look into it. Then we have this channel art. You should make your cover photo and your profile, your YouTube channel photo to be very attractive, right? Then we can select the default title, the default description, and then default visibility and default text. We have a permission section. Go to advanced setting, we can see all these things. Into now go to channel, and I will suggest go to branding. Here we will add a logo for you for subscribe. Say, let's say if I go here, I have this video, this logo called YouTube subscribe. Choose image, then you should show it entire video, right? Then save it. What it does when you play a video, you will see. Let's go to youtube.com and then I will show you. Okay, let's say if I go here, this video has not added any branding. Yes, as you can see, this is a branding logo. If I click on this, it will navigate me to the channel for this video, or as you can see, it shows me the subscribe button. I can easily subscribe to it, right? So you can add your logo to it, your channel logo, or you can add your channel logo or the subscribe button here, so that people can easily subscribe to your channel. For watching UA Studios. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to UA Studios.